Hello, this is the 2003 AMC 12A, problem number 10. Okay, this right here is a big heavy block of paragraphs, so bear with me. On the test, you might actually run out of time just reading this question alone. It's just that long. Okay. Al, Bert, and Carl are the winners of a school drawing for a pile of Halloween candy, which they are to divide in a ratio of 3-to-1, respectively. Due to some confusion, they come at different times to claim their prizes, and each assumes he is the first to arrive. If each takes what he believes to be the correct share of candy, what fraction of the candy goes unclaimed? This is a huge shame, putting candy to waste. I think that they should be grieving over their sins instead of eating this candy at the end of the day. But if we have the fraction 3-to-2-to-1, then that means that there's going to be a total of 6, which means that Al would take 3/6, which is 1/2. Bert would take 2/6, which is 1/3. And Carl would take a mere 1/6. Okay. Now, there are two ways that you can do it. One is the more algebraic and rigorous way, and one is, if you're just going through this problem and you're thinking about it. I'm going to start with that, the latter one. So let's say you have 6 pieces of candy. After Albert comes, he's going to take half of it, so times 1/2, that equals 3. And so 6 minus 3 is 3. So there's still going to be 3 left. Then Bert comes, and he's going to take 1/3 of it. So he takes 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. Now there's 1 left. Now Carl takes 1/6. So 1 minus 1/6 is 5/6. Now after all of these 3 came, we went from 6 to 5/6. And as you can see over here, when you divide, you're going to get 5/18 from the original. If you say this is, I think I made a mistake over here somewhere because it would be 6/1. What fraction of the candy goes unclaimed? So it went from 6 down to 5/6. This method, you have to be very careful with how you do it and what you take away. But in the end, your answer will end up being 5/18. I think I just showed you an incorrect way of doing it, but I'm too lazy to redo the video, so it's going to stay like that. Now I'm going to show it to you the algebraic way and the way that you should ideally do it, not this way. So we're going to start with the one person takes 1/2, the other person takes 1/3, the other person takes 1/6 of the candy. That means that after he comes, half the candy will be left. After he comes, 2/3 of the candy will be left, and after he comes, 5/6 of the candy will be left. Okay? Oh, I see my mistake. I did 3 times 1/3 equals 2 when it equals 1. That equals 5 times 6, that's 1/3. 1 minus 1/3, that is going to be 2/3. So it went from 2/3 to 6, and that is going to give you the ratio of 5/7, or 5/18, I think. 6 to 2/3. I think it might. You have to really go through the math. I might have made multiple mistakes, whatever. Anyways, so after he comes, 1/2 is left. After he comes, 2/3 is left. After he comes, there's 5/6 left. And since this is an and statement, we're going to be multiplying all of these together to get our final answer of 5/18 are left after all of them come. Thank you much for watching, and goodbye.